Out with the old and in with the new. My riving knife, throat plate, and my new overhead crown guard from Harvey. This is going to be a game changer. This guard, although it's not cheap, is built amazingly. Steel, cast iron, all quality parts. This moves nice and easy. Get it out of your way when you're not going to use it or you want to check and see some things. Slides right up out of the way. We have two different size guards that we can put on here. It can be the flat version like we have on this side, or the bubbled version so that you can actually tilt and cut bevels while that crown guard is protecting you. This has wheels on the front and back, so as you feed the piece in, it's going to raise up just the height of your piece. There's no chance of any of my students getting hurt. Now, honestly, I've never used a crown guard like this in all the years of my working, teaching, ever. One of the things I worry about most is the inconvenience using one of these. Beautiful thing about this is that we can lift this up, get it out of the way partially, or we can just slide it right on over out of the way, and we can still use the saw as we would without it. There are occasions when it's going to be easier, maybe dealing with larger pieces, thicker pieces. When it's time to use it, real simply, we swing it back over into place, bring it down, and now we're ready to go. Another thing to note would be the help with the dust collection. We already have the dust being collected from inside the cabinet, but there's always the dust that comes out on the top. So this, in cooperation with that. This is a 2-inch hose here, goes to a 3-inch, and then over here at the end, we bump it up to a 4-inch port. I don't have it connected yet. All we'll do is we'll change this down here to a Y. One will go down to the cabinet, the other one will come up here. If you ever have one of these, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a flexible dust hose, obviously, because this is going to pivot once in a while. Not going to pivot far though, it's only going to go from here over to here. So maybe only an extra 15, 20 inches of hose. This is a beefy, heavy duty overarm crown guard. I think is going to be a game changer in safety for the shop here. If you have any questions, I haven't seen another crown guard like this on TikTok, and that is your tip of the day.